to recover lost or deleted files. If you can't find a file on your computer, or you accidentally modified or deleted file, you can restore it from a backup, or you can try to restore it from a previous version. Previous versions are copies of files and folders that Windows automatically saves as part of a restore point. Previous versions are sometimes referred to as shadow copies. We are going to show some useful tips for effective recovery of deleted files. When data loss happens, first remember to stop using your computer or other external memory storage devices. This will protect the deleted files for data recovery, which could otherwise be overwritten if you continue to use your device. How can you get deleted data back? When you right-click a file and press delete, the system just hides the data by removing its file directory and marks the space as free for use. At this moment, you can easily get the file back by rebuilding the file directory. The data in that space is not deleted until that space needs to use, at which point the associated data blocks are overwritten. So, if you continue to use the device, it becomes increasingly likely that new data will erase and overwrite the previously deleted files. In this case, the chance of successful data recovery is decreased. The risk of overwriting is made greater if you have a hard drive, memory card, or USB drive with limited free space. 3 possible ways to recover deleted files. So, when you mistakenly delete data from a device, stop using the device and start the data recovery process as soon as possible. There are 3 possible ways you can recover deleted files. Let's see the method 1. To recover deleted files from Windows Recycle bin. If you simply deleted files on your computer by moving them to the Recycle bin and didn't press the anti-Recycle bin button, you can retrieve them back with ease. Just open the Recycle bin, locate and right-click the files you want and choose Restore. This will recover your deleted files back to their original location. The method number 2. To restore an older version of the deleted or lost file. If you have emptied the Recycle bin, you can try to recover an older version of the deleted or lost file by using the free backup and restore feature built into Windows. To do it, in Windows 7, click the Start button at Computer, navigate to the folder that used to contain the file or folder, and right-click the folder. Then click Restore Previous Version. Here you will see a list of available previous versions of the deleted files and folders with different times and dates. Choose the version you would like back and click Restore in order to recover the deleted files. In Windows 10, 8 or 8.1, you should open that folder used to contain the deleted files and click the History button. File History will display all the files contained in the most recent backup of that folder. Click Previous button to locate and select the file you want to retrieve and then click the restore button to get it back. And the method 3, it is to recover deleted files with a data recovery software. If you want to recover the exact copy of your deleted files and not a previously saved version, you can try a third-party data recovery software. Here is us, Data Recovery Wizard Professional. It is an easy recovery tool and is recommended. It is designed for dealing with all complicated data loss situations such as deleted recovery, format recovery, data recovery after virus attack, system crash, raw error, and more and more. It has helped numerous users recover deleted files from their PC, external hard drives, memory cards, and USB drivers. EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard recovers deleted files and folders on computer hard drives, external USB flash drives, and microSD cards by thoroughly scanning its storage unit. The overall process for users to search and find their deleted files items is as follows. The step 1 is to specify a location, if it is a hard drive, a removable storage device, etc. Choose the exact file location and then click the Scan button. After scanning the entire storage device, it is a critical step for EaseUS file recovery software to search for lost data as much as possible. And all deleted files are pairs. In the step 3 are shown all deleted files, so you can choose either a file filter to locate your file, and then you can click at the recover button. Never forget to check all the scan results in each tab for deleted files. Don't save the recovered files back to the partition or drive where you lost your data from. You can transfer to that location after recovery, but recovering directly to the same drive risks overwriting the file.